we always like playing around with our food, making something just a little different. So today we're going to make a cherry mash fudge. If you like those old-fashioned cherry mash, you're going to love this fudge. In our saucepan over here, I'm going to place 2 cups of sugar. And 2/3 cup of carnation, what kind of milk is it?
Evaporated.
Evaporated milk. I forgot. I'm going to stir that in just a little bit. And I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. And 1 stick of salted butter. That's why it only got a pinch of salt. And we're going to turn the heat on to a medium, melt this down, and let it come to a boil. We're going to bring that boil up then and lower our heat to where that it's going to then boil for exactly 5 minutes. Okay, it has begun to boil. I've now turned my heat down to a low, and I'm going to let this continue boiling for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is up. I'm going to remove that from the heat. I do not want it to cook any longer. And to that, I'm going to add 2 cups of miniature marshmallows. Now, if you don't have miniature marshmallows, it's going to take about 12 to 15 large marshmallows, but cut them up so that that will melt down faster. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And here I have 1/2 cup of the cherry pieces and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, semi-chocolate. And I'm just going to stir that until it's all melted and blended together. Okay, all of my chips have melted. So has the marshmallows. And now I'm going to add 1/2 cup. These are salted peanuts that we have chopped. And that's what's going to help make it a true cherry mash fudge. Just stir them into where they're kind of even in there. And now we're going to put them in our 8x8 pan. Now I have taken foil paper and I've cut it down to where that I can place it this direction and one this direction. I have then buttered it. And I'm now going to put my mixture in there. Now at this point, if you want, you can add a few more of your salted peanuts on top, but we're not. I believe this is enough peanuts for us. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for at least 4 hours before we cut it. Okay, our fudge is out of the refrigerator. I'm going to just loosen the sides, lift that up onto my cutting board. Pull the side down. And then we're going to cut this. I'm going to cut it in about 1-inch squares. Oh, look. Nice.